See? No. Look. What's this?
The cat.
What is it?
Okay.
Tell Mommy what it is.
Cat.
What's the matter with the cat?
The cat.
What's wrong with the cat?
The cat.
What's wrong with him?
The cat.
Is he stuck in a tree?
That
He's stuck in a tree. Well, what's going to happen to him?
Yeah, look at that.
He's stuck. But what's the man doing?
The cat.
Mm-hmm.
On the tree. And the cat.
Stuck in the tree.
And
But what's the man doing?
the man doing?
Yeah, what's he doing?
Right.
But what's he going to do? Is he going to help the cat?
Right there.
Where is it? No, I know he's there, but in this picture, what's he doing?
Two.
Yes, there's two men in there, but what's the man doing?
No cat.
What's he doing?
Cat.
But the cat is stuck, right?
Why?
The cat is stuck. Whoop. Is the man helping the cat?
How?
He's helping the cat. What is he helping the cat to do?
How cat?
Is he helping the cat get down?
Down.
Because the cat wants down, doesn't he?
A baby cat.
It's a baby cat.
Baby rain. Baby rain.
So is the man helping the cat get down from the tree? Gabesy? What's the man doing? What's the man doing? What's he doing? Is he helping the cat?
In the back.
That goes in the bag, yes. Gabriel?
In the back.
Gabriel? What is the man in the book doing?
Nina?
Yep, Nina.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
I don't know.
But that's a different picture.
Okay.
Go to the picture with the cat.
The picture of the cat.
Mm-hmm.
Look, cat right there. Right there.
Right there.
Help the cat.
He's gonna help the cat, huh?
To duck.
Because he's stuck, yeah.
To help the cat.
Yeah, he's gonna help him.
Oh, no.
Oh, poor cat.
Poor cat.
But the man's gonna help him, huh?
The help the cat.
Yeah, he's gonna help him. He's gonna help the cat down from the tree.
Down the tree.
So that the cat isn't stuck in the tree anymore, huh?